So the crimp tool itself has two parts to it. It seems like it has three,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, but it actually only has the tooth on it.
Okay.
And then the part that is further away from the handle is the rounding part of this tool. So you want to use the one that the notch that has the tooth.
Okay.
And I like to, you can see how the tooth is at the top and then there's just a little cup at the bottom, kind of like a jack-o'-lantern. It just has the one tooth at the top.
Yep.
Okay, so I like to place the crimp bead in the part of the jack-o'-lantern's mouth that doesn't have the tooth, so it just rests in there. And you want to have it directly in the center of this tool, so that it's not sticking out on either side.
I see. Yeah.
Okay, so then once it's in there in the middle, you're just going to squish real hard and make that tooth bite the bead. So now that it is out, you can see that there is a divot in the crimp bead. So this is what I like to call the hot dog. So now you want to take the rounding part of this tool, and you want to use the rounding part to squish the hot dog together. This is the important part. This is what keeps it from coming undone. So you're going to put that hot dog in the middle of this tool to where I can squish the hot dog together.
Yeah.
And it becomes like a smashed up hot dog. And now that is very, very secure. And that is the part that keeps it all together, is smashing.